StyleCraft 360Jeezy clipper, and based off pricing, packaging, and performance, today guys, we're going to
I'm gonna be 100% honest with y'all, and y'all might think I'm a little weird. I wish this clipper was a little more bulky. These blades do tend to get hot.
StyleCraft S360Jeezy is finally here. It's got the power, the premium feel, and a fresh design. But is it actually worth $299.95? Some barbers love it, others say it's too small, too expensive, and a little slippery when cutting. So today we are breaking it all down, the good, the bad, and whether this clipper is actually worth your money. Let's start with what makes this clipper stand out. N2 Victor motor. This motor is a beast, 11,500 strokes per minute. That's more than most pro clippers, meaning it can cut through bulk effortlessly. If you have ever used the StyleCraft Instinct, you already know how strong this motor is. The 360Jeezy clipper just brings it in a different package. DLC Echo Blade. This is where it gets interesting. The Echo Blade is StyleCraft top tier blade, designed for a louder crunch sound and smoother fade. The blade is fully adjustable and zero gappable. So if you like super close cut, this will work for you. When it comes to battery life and charging, you are getting up to 3 hours of cordless runtime, which is solid. But real-world use will depend on the intuitive tone control, adjusting power as you cut. USB-C charging is a nice touch. No more hunting for specific charger cables. But not everyone is loving this clipper. Let's talk about some of the complaints. This clipper is compact and lightweight, which some barbers love, but others say it feels too small in the hand. Some even say the metal body makes it a little slippery, especially when your hands get sweaty. But there is a simple fix. You can buy rubber bands from the StyleCraft Pro website to improve grip. Not idle, but at least there is a solution. Now, here is the biggest debate. $299.95. That's a premium price. Some barbers feel that for the cost, you could get a Babyliss FX, Wahl Senior, or even another StyleCraft clipper that does the job just as well. So what are you really paying for? The combination of the Victor motor plus Echo Blade. No other clipper has this exact setup yet, but does that make it worth almost $300? So who should actually buy this clipper? Get it if you want a compact, powerful clipper that cuts bulk effortlessly, a clipper with the smoothest fade and loud crunch blade sound, a USB-C rechargeable machine that's premium and futuristic. Skip it if you prefer larger, heavier clippers that feel more solid in hand. Don't want to spend $300 on one clipper when there are cheaper options. Want more grip without needing extra rubber bands? If you have used this clipper, let me know what you think. Is it worth the price, or would you rather buy something else? Drop a comment below. If you want more honest breakdowns like this, hit that like button and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.